Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening bag number 2 of the LEGO Speed Champion set 76192, the Fast and Furious 1970 Dodge Charger RT. This is the front of the box, this is the back of the box. I have built bag 1 in a previous video, which actually should be on my channel now. And this is the result of bag number 1 here, which is the chassis and the back end of the car, which does look very good so far. And here we have Dom. We'll put Dom here just so he can supervise the build. I'll put the car over here, put any spare bricks there. We have a sticker sheet here, which there are a few sticks on. Not many sticks in this one, and some good bricks. So this is one of the good sets. This is bag number 2. We'll open this up here. And I've got one more smaller bag to open, some little smaller fiddly bits. Right, I'm going to remove the wheels out of here first, because we're not going to need the wheels till later. And these are the wheel covers. They do look good. They really do look good. I'll show you those later when we get to them. Right, so we've got bag number 2 open. So first of all, we start off with the small rear windows. So they start off as we have a black 1x2 vertical, which I need to try and find. This one that going on these left and right build. So we've got one of these, and we have a clear 2x1 base plate. Then we have a grey double base plate brick. Then we have a see-through 2x1 right angled piece like this. This goes on like so, and we put sticker number 4 on there. And that sticker goes on there like so. Then you have one grey piece with a female connector hook on it. And a grey bar piece, a grey 3-bar piece as well. So like that, and looks that from that angle. And that goes on there like that. I think I put that piece on the wrong way around, so that's the reason it's not going on. Obviously make sure that piece is on the right way around, otherwise it doesn't go in like that. Now we think we've got to do the same on this side, so it's one of these double height 1 bricks. with the studs on the side. One of those, the clear 2x1 base plate, the grey double stack square stud, and then you have the right angled, the 2x2 right angled window piece goes on there, and you have sticker number 5 on there. Try and get the sticker as right as you can because it goes on the, because it affects the shape, because it affects the shape of the vehicle if it's not quite right. Then you have the grey square stud with the female connector hook on the top. That goes on the other side, like so. That's our Dodge Charger so far. Then we have 6 of the 6x1 base plates in black. And they go together like this. Got to do that twice, so one for each side, and then attach the side pieces. Hang on, no, I did get that wrong. The bit on the bottom is actually an 8x1 base plate. There we go. That's what it should look like. No, it's not a 6x1 on the bottom, it's an 8x1 on the bottom. And these bits go on the sides here, like so. I don't think Dom's going to be very happy now, but I'll just have to work harder to impress. Next we have some lights for the front of the vehicle, which are 2 of the green 2x1 right angled pieces and 2 of the round flat stud pieces, like so. Got 2 of those, these go on the front. Like so. It's looking good already. Couple of wheel arches to go on next. Do like these pieces, they do seem to go on quite simply. He says as they don't. They go on like that. Next we have 2 of the black 3x1 right angled pieces, which we used earlier. So 2 more of these. That's primarily to actually connect the wheel arch to the chassis. Make sure you get the right colour. Then you've got 2 of the black pizza pieces. and 2 of the grey studs with a hole in them. There you go, on like that. You should be able to see that. Now next we have 2 of the black 2x2 half flat half studs. So these ones here. These go on the side, and then you have 2 black square stud pieces, 1x1s, or 1x1 black base plates, whichever you prefer. They go on like so. Next, we put the we put the bit on which is the air intake for the engine. So that starts off as a green 2x1 with a Technic cross connector in the middle, and a Technic cross right angled piece, which is one of these that goes on there. Then 2 of the grey 3x1 right angle pieces. They go on there like that as well. See it from the front. Let me give you a quick twirl. I think I'm getting Dom's approval back of there, so I can only hope. So next we have a couple of filler pieces here. So they're like one pieces with a stud on the side, and a grey flat D piece. They go on like that. Next we have 3 of the grey 2x1 curved base plates, which are these ones here. They go on like that. Next we have 2 of the brown right angle, the brown 2x1 right angle pieces with the grey studs on. These go on here. Like so, as you can see. Then we have 4 more of the grey 2x1 round base plates, or should have anyway. Yeah, we've got 4. Happy days. I won't go into my Lego saga. Yeah. There you go, on like that. Next Next we have a black, find the piece first before I try and describe it. It's like a half a cube piece in black, but I can't see it at the moment, so. And a grey 1 brick, which is one of these. Find this black 1 brick I'm looking for in here somewhere. Probably staring me in the face like it normally is, so there we go, found it. One of these, it's kind of like a box, so if you get 4 of them you can make a box, you see. Or if you can put 2 of them together, you make a cuboid. Next we have 2 black square studs. Two grey 3x1 right angled base plates. And a grey 2x1 vented piece. They go on the front like so. Next we have 2 put some pieces on wrong again. Just put the last 2 pieces on wrong, I do apologise. There's one way to solve it. Got 2 of the black 3x1 right angled base plates to go on. And 2 black square studs to go on. I'll put those on wrong again. Alright, so that's how it should look. My apologies. At least learn how not to build this, and I'm not really earning Dom's approval here, so. Next we have 2 black pizza pieces. With 2 black 3x1 base plates. 2 of the roller skate pieces for door handles, which I do quite like. When I say roller skate pieces, I mean these ones here. And you put them flat side out. I think. Yeah, flat side out. Then 2 of the black 6x1 base plates. They go on like that, and I think that is correct now. So do feel free to double check the instructions if you are following me, and do feel free to correct me in the comments below. So next we have two clear square studs, yellow clear square studs. They go on there. Two black 4x1 base plates. This is starting to look better now anyway, so next we have 2 black 1 square flat pieces. A lot of black on here, but the actual Dodge does look better in black, I do think. So next we have, then we got 2 black 2x1s, half flat, half studded. Then 2 black 2x1 curved pieces. Find the other one, it's got to be in here somewhere. There we go. Which are these ones here. Oh. Caught it, happy days. Next we have 2 of these 4x1 sloped roofing pieces. They go on like that. The vehicle is definitely starting to take shape now. Lost the bar there, lovely. We have another one of these roll cage bars to go in. So, which is one of these, which goes like that. That goes on there and goes down there like that. Goes up and that goes down. And you push those two ones down there. So it's a roll cage. That's quite a nice little bit. There was some nice detail in the on the inside of the car, so that does look good. Some detailing on there would be nice, but next we have a driver's side wing mirror. And we also have, I'll put the flat plates on, so we have 2 of the 4x1 flats to go on first. Then we have a black square stud and a grey D piece, grey flat D piece, which is that one there. That goes on there. Done that wrong. Put a 6x1 on this side. And another 6x1 on this side. Like that. The instructions are quite fiddly. I'm finding this quite difficult. So, and the age limit is 8+, so it doesn't really say a lot, really, does it? So. But thank you for bearing with me though. So next we do the bonnet, which is a black a black 2x1 flat, two black 2x2s flats, and two black 2x2 curved roofing pieces, which are these ones here. Next we put the rear window in, which is a normal size car window for Lego. And we have a black 4x1 flat that goes on top of that like that. That goes in the back here. And you have two black pizza pieces which go on the corner here to curve it off, like so. Then you have two of the black 2x2 upside down curved roofing pieces, which are these ones here. These go on the front, like so. Then two of the black 4x1 pieces. Go on the front there as well. So that's what we've got so far. Then we have an 8x1 grey bar piece. Then we have two of the green 1 pieces. And then two of the green 2x1 right angled pieces. Yeah, be careful when you do this, especially if you've got big hands like that. If you've got big hands or you're a bit heavy-handed, careful not to push on the windscreen. So there we go, we've got those bits on there like that. That's the front of the car. And we make the rest of the bonnet, which is starts off as a black 3x1 base plate, a grey 3x1 flat, and we have sticker number 1 goes on there. That's the charger grille plate. That really does look the business. Trying to show you that. So now you get two of these 3x2 right angled pieces, two of the green 2x1 flats with a stud in the middle, and then you put the charger piece on there so it stays in the middle just like that. And then you attach that to the two studs on the front there. So that goes like that and like that. So that's what we've got so far. It's definitely looking like a muscle car now, which is good. Next, you make the side lights for the vehicle, or the headlights. So they start off as a green 1 brick, which is one of these, a black 3x1 right angled brick, then we have two of the clear round flat bricks, round flat pieces, like so, and like so. Probably done something wrong here, I just can't work out what I've done wrong yet, so. I think you have two of these on here by the looks of it. I'm just trying to... struggling with this bit for some reason, I don't know why, but I'm just going to try again. Like I say, I cut my nails before I did this, which was a big mistake, so that goes on there and that goes on there. Aha, that's better. So it's like that, so you use two of those 3x1 right angled pieces. And that piece slides in there like that on the front and is attached with a black 6x1 flat and a black 2x2 flat, like so. We do the same on the other side. But we put one on the top, so I'll try and do this right this time. So we have two of these black 3x1 right angle pieces. And we have the green 1 piece. And two of the clear round pieces. And a black flat square piece goes on top. So that goes on there like so. That just slides, that will slide, float in there at the moment. And then put a black square, black 2x2 square on there. And a black 3x1 right angle piece on there. Next we put the bar that goes around the front of the headlights on top. So that starts off as a grey 8x1 flat and a grey 3x1 right angled piece, like so. And that goes on the top of that, so you've got your front of your charger like that. The car is definitely looking good now, so now we got a flipper over. We've got to put some indicators on it. Not that in the film they use them a lot, but they are still needed. So these are a 2x1 upside down curved roofing piece and a yellow square clear stud piece. These go on the front here, like so. As you can see, as you should be able to just about see. We flip it back over, and now we put the windscreen in there. It's always a good sign once you put the windscreen on. It means you are nearly done. Then we have two of the black pizza pieces to go on here as corner pieces. Next, we make the air intake for the engine. That is or should be anyway, a grey 2x1 curved base plate. We have a grey stud that goes on. That's another 3 grey studs that go on. Then you have 2 of the air traffic controller bats, as I would call them, which are these pieces here. Then you have 2 of the grey D pieces. And a black, or actually one of their grey D pieces. I got a bit excited there. Oops, it all comes off. Oop, nearly. This hasn't been one of my better builds, it has to be said, so. But if you have watched this all the way through, thank you very much. It's definitely appreciated. And you have a black nozzle piece goes on here. So that's what we got for this piece here. Try and show you this as best I can. That goes on there like that. Well, that's not the air intake. I think that is probably the engine actually, but I think this is the air intake bit. I think I got a bit excited, So it starts off with one of these Technic connector pieces like that, a Technic 3 hole piece like that, and a pivot piece which goes on the back like that with a cross connector on the back. Put that down to a right angle like that, and that is definitely the air intake. That goes on there like that, and that engine does look good. This is definitely to stay in my collection no matter what, because it's a Dodge Charger. It deserves to be in there. Next we make the roof. So we start off with a 3x2 right angle piece, a clear 2x1 base plate, a black one piece with, or two black one pieces with a stud on the side, like so. So this is what we got so far. We've got another one of these pieces here that goes on the back there. You've got two more of these 6x2 right angle pieces. Then you've got two 4x2 flats. A 3x2 flat and two 3x1 right angle flats, like so. And that is the roof. That is the roof, and the roof goes on like that. And we do have something that definitely resembles a muscle car, and in particular a Dodge Charger RT. Next we put the wheels on. This is the bit I've been looking forward to. Got to work out which way. I don't think it really matters which way they go on, to be honest with you, because once you put the hubcaps on, got to work out which way the hubcaps go in first. They only go one way. Got these hubcaps which go in like that. They are really, really nice. Like so. Stick the wheels on it. Stick the wheels in it, and you have a Dodge Charger RT. It really does look good, and I hope Dom's proud of me, even though I did make a few mistakes, but I am only human. So I'm going to put him in his new car, see if he likes it, see if he gives me the nod of approval and welcomes me to the family. I did help him out when I was in Orlando, so I might have a chance. Okay, we have Dom in his RT, right-hand drive because he's American and the car is American, so, or left-hand drive as I should say. This is the left-hand drive, the American version, which is what you really want if you're going to get one of these. If you get one of these in real life, you don't really want it right-hand drive. It's not the same. But I probably would for convenience. But this is it. This is the Dodge RT. It does look good. It's got the number plate. The lights are good. There's not loads of stickers on it to faff around with. You've got the exhausts. You've got the fuel tank on it. It's got some customisation possibility. It would look really good with like maybe a Punisher skull on the roof or on the back. That would look good. I mean, they could make it Frank Castle's car. Or they could do one for They could do one at this scale for Ghost Rider as well, because that would be nice as well. But to be honest with you, this is a nice car. I'm definitely going to keep it. It's a Dodge. You can't go too far wrong. It looks the part. It is the part. There isn't much more you can really say about it. But you know, the Dom figure is pretty good, and you do quite like it. So it does add to the figure, but they could have made a Dodge Charger without going down the Fast and Furious route, but I think they were doing it for sales, and it's going to work, and it's good value for money. If you can pick this set up, even if you have to pay a bit extra for it, even if you have to pay like the full price for it, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. I mean, I don't regret buying this. I can't say enough good things about this car, because it's just so good. Well, I'm not. I mean, the roof generally will stay on. You can have it as a soft top as well, like that. You can dry it as a soft top as well, which is quite nice as well, which is quite good. So, not that he would, but. So, would you have a soft top Dodge? Well, seeing as this is Lego Man Stu's channel and not Petrolhead Stu's channel, I won't go any further into that one. If you wish to go any further on in the comments, do feel free. But overall, I'm quite happy with that. It does look, it has a potential looking as a soft top and hard top. It's a Dodge Charger RT. There isn't that much wrong with it. Unless you don't like cars. If you like cars, and you don't like this, it's personal preference, but I'll be very surprised if you didn't. So this is a fine piece of engineering and Lego in real life. So basically, thank you for watching. If you have watched both videos, I really do thank you. I thank you for your patience. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share and subscribe, and even join the family if you want. Join the Lego Man Stu family. If as I say, any comments or feedback to the video, please leave them at the end of the video, and I'll try to give you a shout out on one of my upcoming videos. I am on YouTube and Instagram, so do feel so like I say, you can follow me on there. Stay safe, keep building, and keep the family safe. Thank you for watching.